Webinars, checklists, cheat sheets, worksheets, these all seem so overdone, don't they? How is your opt-in ever going to stand out when everybody's doing the same thing? Well, have you ever taken a BuzzFeed quiz to see what Harry Potter house you're in? Or maybe which friend character would you be? Wouldn't it be cool if you could create some kind of cool quiz for your business to get people opting into your email list? Well, you can. In today's video, I'm going to show you the quiz system that I use to grow my email list and how you can start using it to grow your list. Hey guys, my name is Trina Little and I'm a video content strategist. I help online business owners create a video content strategy that works for them and their business. And like I said, today we're going to be talking about how to craft a quiz that you can use to grow your email list. Now, I use this platform called Interact, and I've used it to grow my list. I'm not a big techie person, so I was kind of skeptical going into this process on whether I could figure out how to create a quiz, how to set it up and embed it, do all that kind of stuff, right? I thought it was probably going to take me days to figure it out, and it wasn't really days that I had in my schedule that I could commit to figuring it all out. But I logged into the platform anyways and started pushing buttons and checking it out. I soon realized it wasn't very hard at all. In about an hour or maybe a little bit less, I had this really cool quiz that I could promote to people to take it and ultimately get on my email list. And it wasn't the same overdone checklist or worksheet or cheat sheet that you've seen out there so many times. And what's really unique is that Pinterest loves quizzes, or people on Pinterest love quizzes. So as soon as I created this quiz, I instantly made a pin optimized for Pinterest and put it out on the Pinterest web and started to see the traffic roll. So enough about talking. How about I jump over to my computer and show you exactly what this platform looks like and really how you can get started creating your first quiz for your business. Okay, so the program that I use is called Interact, and it is so easy to use. Like I said, I was concerned about trying to figure out how to do a quiz, but this program is super easy. So once you log in, this is basically like your dashboard. You can see this is the current quiz that I have out right now for people to fill out. And it gives you a lot of information right here just with the analytics. You can edit it, you can preview it. But let me show you how you can start a quiz from the get-go. So all you have to do is push this little orange button that says Create New Quiz. And they have so many pre-made quizzes too, so it makes it super easy. If you want to do an animal quiz or a cleaning quiz or an education, entertainment, any of that kind of stuff, you can just easily click one of these options, and they have so many different choices of already pre-made quizzes. You pretty much don't even have to create your own quiz. But if you click on what kind of an entrepreneur you are and you just really don't like the questions, you really want to, customize it to your brand, to your words, you can always go to create a quiz from scratch. So they have 3 different types of quizzes that you can take: the assessment quiz, the personality quiz, or the tally quiz, which is also a scored quiz. So you can pick whichever is best for whatever it is that you're promoting in your business that you want to get people on your list for. I chose a personality quiz, so you just click this button here, and from there you just start building your quiz. You obviously are going to want to name your quiz something that entices people. You want to make sure it's eye-catchy so people want to take your quiz. All you have to do is click here, change the title. You can also add an image right here, simple as click on that, upload an image from your computer. They also have images available for you. You can search it and find things through Pixabay. And then you can change the color of this button. You can add a description here. So easy. And this is basically the front page people get when they click on your quiz. So the next thing you want to create is your personality. So for me, I chose different types of videos. So if you took my quiz, I had an about me video, a how-to video, an opinion piece video, and one other one, I'm not quite sure off the top of my head. And those were my personalities because those were ultimately my results. So to change these, you just click on result. You can add whatever the result is. So I had an about me video as result 1. I had a little picture to add just to make it eye-catching, and I added a description. Now, this is where you can start to decide how you want to start capturing people's leads. So you could put a full description in here so that they read it and you don't capture their email, but you're providing them value. or you can put a little teaser description, and then the call to action would be to enter your email and get the rest of the description, or get the, full results from the quiz. So that's going to be up to you, how you want to do it, how you want to capture leads, and how much information you want to give people right off the bat without opting in to your list. You can always change the text size, color. You can even hide the call to action if you're deciding you don't want to make this an opt-in. So totally your choice. So you go through here and add all the different results. I, on my quiz, had 4 results. Then once you have your results, you start to create your questions. So I had about 5 different questions. All you do is click question, add your question. It can be A or B. You can add as many as you want. You can change this to be more detailed. You can add an image here, change this to a specific question name, however you want to do it. It's really so easy to customize. So once you get your quiz set up, you can always go up here to the conversion tracking. So do you want to add a Facebook pixel? Do you want to add a Google Analytics tracking? You can also change the branding. So you can add your logo if you want to. Social sharing you can change. You can add your Facebook, Twitter to social share. You can click the social share link that you want to use, the heading. They make it so easy to share. And if you just want to turn off the social share buttons altogether, then you just click that box and all of it's turned off. And then since I didn't fill out this quiz, let me go back to the quiz that I already made and show you exactly all the cool stuff that you can do by connecting your email list and all that sort of stuff. So we go back to the dashboard. And like I said, this is the quiz I currently have. So if I want to go over here to edit, I'm going to show you how I set up my opt-in form. So you see I have it turned on. You see I have that it has the first name and the email address, and you can easily connect any of your email service providers. So I have ConvertKit. All you have to do to connect ConvertKit is go into your ConvertKit account and get your IP address, or that special address that Convert gives you, paste it in here, and it's connected right away. And then what I also did is if people got the result about me, they were then entered into this sequence that I made in ConvertKit. If they got a how-to video, they were entered into a different sequence because I had different content that I wanted to share with them, and at the end of the sequence I had something different that I wanted to pitch to them. So what's really cool is based on the results they can get, you can kick them into a specific sequence within ConvertKit. So it makes email funnels so much easier. So how are they getting these exact results? So you can see this is what my quiz looked like. My quiz name was what's the best way for you to use video in your marketing. They clicked on the quiz and they were instantly taken to my different questions. I just had A and B. I made this quiz as easy as possible to take, and I did add images. I didn't put any special questions. I just made it question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is the results they would get. So if they got an About Me video, this was the description that they got. And if they wanted to get my step-by-step tutorial and workbook to how to film an About Me video, they had to click this button right here, enter their email address, and then I sent them a workshop on how to create an About Me video. But if they did not opt in, they still got this description right here and they still got the results. They just didn't get that additional workshop from me. Okay, so I just quickly filled in like 2 results saying if you take this quiz, one result is you're ready for a video, or the second result is you need some more help, meaning maybe you need a consultation with me or you need to take my e-course. So what you can do then is you go to edit results correlations, and if they click yes, then that means they are ready for video. If they click no, they need some more help. And that's how you can correlate your results. And you can go through each one. You go down to question 2, edit correlation. Say they click yes, then maybe they need some more help, and no, you're not ready for video. You are ready for video. So you can just go through here and change the correlation so that once they click this, you know exactly where you want them to go with the results. It's really pretty easy. Once you get it in there and you get all your questions in, you can start to see how all the correlations work, and it's super easy. Trust me, I'm not a tech person at all, and it was simple to set up. If you click on the style here, you can change it to fit your brand. So the background color, the font color, the button color, font type, all of that kind of stuff. So then what's even great about this is the analytics that you get. So you can go over here to reporting from the Interact dashboard, and you can get your aggregated reporting, how many views you got, how many starts, completions, leads, all of that from just this dashboard. You can also select a quiz that you want to look at. So say I just want to look at this particular quiz that I did, click Save Selection, and it's going to show you the same results because it's the only quiz that I have. And it breaks down such great information for you to really analyze how to improve your quiz the next time around. If you're ready to create a quiz for your business, I got the link down below that you can go sign up for Interact and start crafting your first quiz. If you're excited to finally have an opt-in that's going to stand out amongst everybody else and not be the same old, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know you're doing it. And let me know in the comment section below if you are crafting a quiz for your business. I'd love to hear who's going to do it. If you're looking for a way to get started creating video content here on YouTube, make sure you grab my free channel checklist and make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking right here. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content for you to consume. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch, and I will see you next week. Bye.